Hey everyone, Gina Rubino here at Windows Central, and this is a foldable PC. I've been talking about this for years, and well, it's finally a reality, almost. Not quite here yet, but this is a working prototype from Lenovo. Today we're going to give you a quick look at it and see what the future holds. Stay tuned. Okay, let's cut to the chase and get right to what we do know about this device so far. For the foldable display, it's LG behind the technology, which should answer your question about how it's different from Samsung's recent attempt. There's also barely any visible crease, unlike the Galaxy Fold. The hinge tech is a torque design that allows the screen to bend and hold into a variety of angles, not just opened or closed. The screen specs are impressive. It's a 13.3-inch OLED 2K with an aspect ratio of 4:3. The half screen is 9.6 inches. And unlike Huawei or Samsung, this not only supports touch, but inking as well, and it's powered by Wacom AES. For protection, LG built in an anti-scratch layer to the plastic display. No stickers here. Regarding the processor, Lenovo is tight-lipped, but it is confirmed to be an Intel chip. My guess is it's the new 10nm series due in early 2020. Side features include Windows Hello Infrared for instant login, stereo speakers, 2 USB Type-C ports, Bluetooth keyboard, an all-day battery life, and yes, this full LTE built right in, which makes this an outstanding mobile option. Let's talk about Windows. For this demo, it's running full Windows 10, but that's only for this demo. If you paid attention to our reporting at Windows Central for the last year, you should recognize that this is going to be a Windows Lite PC, that is, Windows Core OS. In fact, Lenovo is only saying that, quote, this will be a Windows-based device. More on that in another video. Other things we don't know include pricing, the product's name, although it is an X1 ThinkPad family, and availability besides sometime in 2020. For usage, Lenovo is positioning this foldable for road warriors and business executives that are highly mobile, as well as tech enthusiasts. The PC can be read like a book or used for socials, propped up for watching video, or connecting to a hub with full mouse, keyboard, and monitor support, or it can be flipped into a clamshell to be used like a laptop. Regarding that laptop mode, there are a few tricks here that Lenovo won't let us show you, but let's just say it's very clever. So how is it? It's outstanding. The device, when folded, feels just like a real book, including that leatherette case. Opening it up in that 2K OLED is drool-worthy. There are no air gaps here, just pure color and screen. The processor felt very responsive with no lag. There's also a built-in kickstand, making it very much like a Surface. And being a ThinkPad unit, well, it's going to have to meet Lenovo's more rigorous quality and longevity testing. Folks, this is the PC I've been talking about for nearly 2 years now, and it's super exciting to hold one of the only working demos in the world. Lenovo has been working on this device for 3 years now, and paired with Microsoft's next-gen operating system that's built for light and mobile computing, this could be a killer PC. I'll share more thoughts of this in another video, but hopefully this is enough to whet your appetite. All right, so there's a quick look at this new foldable PC. We don't have a name for it, but Lenovo tells me next year or so we'll have this on shelves. Hopefully, fingers crossed. More information will be coming out over the next few months as well. Now, if you go to the description below, we'll have, of course, links to the announcement for this device and more information there for you. Otherwise, leave me a comment below and tell me what you think. Thanks for watching. Take care, everyone.